Hi everybody. So today we're going to make our first mix up in this, which is the cereal. And if you didn't see our introduction, it's right here about this amazing kit in Miniverse. So let's move on to here. Here, a tip. So first thing, you should remember to take out your ingredients and instructions. So remember to get these instructions, and it first says this will take 5 to 10 minutes. And so first, you're supposed to pour the milk into the bowl. If you're confused, you're not going to open the cap right here. You're going to actually twist it. And then there it is. There's the milk. So, I was just having my mom help me a bit in this, but like for your almond milk, the liquid's gonna come out. It's a bit, you'll have to wait a bit until it like comes out fully. So, that's why it says it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So remember to like squirt it out. You might have to press a bit on the bottle to take the rubbery liquid out. So you can pause your videos right now, and then you can try this out. But it might be a bit hard. But if you got the hang of it, then you're gonna get it. Hi everybody, so now we have our little bowl of milk. And it took me a pretty long time and it's kind of hard to control the bottle because it like goes on to other stuff. My mom had to help me with that. So the next step is to pour the cereal in. We quite not yet have cut it, so we're going to do that right now. There we go, we got a little hole in it. You can rip it a bit open. Now let's pour the cereal in. Some might fall out. You don't have to use all of it. We'll take these and put them in. And then now you have to mix them with your spoon. So we're gonna pause our videos because the spoon is in the waffle set. So we're gonna use a toothpick right here. Let's try it out. Your toothpick's gonna get a little bit gluey because this type of liquid is like glue. I think it is glue. You might need to mix it for a few seconds. There we go, we have our cereal. And we have our little sign to go with it. It says, "Good morning." Now, bye everyone. I hope you had a nice time making this. It was a very enjoyable experience for me. And thank you.